guys, happy Vlogmas day 4. We got a Nathan, and I have my Postmates. I just buzzed them in, so they should be coming now. Thank you. You too.
I'm most happy they got their coffee.
So my order today, I got black iced coffee because it kind of reminds me of iced tea. And it has blueberry and winter white chocolate because that's my winter kick lately. It tastes like a blueberry muffin. Anyways, let's go in the office because I just used the Premiere tool for the first time ever on my vlog channel. And I personally loved it. I thought it was really cool. There was like some countdown thing. Then I was like live commenting with you guys. It was super cool. I kind of liked it, but a lot of you guys didn't like it. But also a lot of you guys did like it, so it has like mixed reviews. So now that that's done, we always wake up at noon.
It's 1 o'clock.
I know, it's now 1 o'clock because I already showered, I got dressed into sweats, drinking my coffee. A lot of you guys that actually have real jobs are probably like, what is the life of people at YouTube? Like what? I mean, it has its perks, it has its downfalls. I think the perks is like the freedom and stuff, but the downfall is definitely like trying to stay busy. Like, I feel like it's really hard to like get us out of the apartment. Do you agree?
Sometimes, yeah.
Yeah. So whenever I have plans, I get really excited because I get out of the apartment. So what does today look like? I have to leave in an hour to go meet Grace. Grace is the lady who does Remy's hair and Tiffany and Lauren's, and they recommended me to her, and we're gonna meet at the hair shop because I don't know what I'm doing with my hair. I might leave it or I seriously might change it up. A lot of you guys have been commenting about how my hair looks healthy lately, and that's for a few reasons. One, I don't wash it as much, so I let the natural oils like really moisturize my dry, damaged hair. 2, I get blowouts. 3, I get trims. And 4, I have extensions in my hair. So if you guys can tell, like these are the extensions. They're like bonded in like with like little beads, no glue. So I put in these extensions, and basically instead of re-dyeing my hair blue, I just put in blue extensions, and the only parts of my hair that are actually blue are these front pieces because I wanted it to all match. So yeah, that's the real tea on my hair. That's why it's getting healthy. I'm keeping bleach completely away from my hair. Yeah, so we're gonna go look at hair because if I was to change my hair color, I wouldn't dye my hair or bleach my hair. I would genuinely just buy new colored extensions, and they would just change the front pieces of my hair. Do I change my hair? Do I keep my hair? What do I do? So the new Nikki and Gabby video is supposed to premiere in 5 minutes. I'm live chatting with you guys right now under the video. I wanna show you guys what happens during a premiere, so that way next time there's a premiere, all you guys can go experience it. Nate, are you ready for the premiere?
Yeah, this is funny.
This is the thumbnail. This one worked hard on the thumbnail. I had the idea of putting an ice crack down the middle. You guys are so funny. I'm gonna send blue hearts. Yes! It's gonna get lost in all those comments. So usually I do my get ready with me's on Nate's side of the desks, but today I'm doing my get ready with me on my side with the window behind me. Usually I like to sit on the other side so like the window hits my face, but he's at his computer this morning, so I'm gonna have to do my makeup over here. I'm not trying to do my makeup like crazy today. I am running late and I'm just running an errand, so there's no need to look all glam. So I feel like when I'm in a rush, I just like to do my eyebrows and my mascara because I feel like I need lashes. A lot of you guys were asking on my last Instagram post what lip gloss I use. It's not anything expensive. It's actually the Camila Cabello Havana collections. I've also been thinking about getting eyelash extensions. I've been thinking about trying them again since there's a lot of really good people out here in LA. I'm ready to go. I'm running late, so we're gonna go now, and yeah, let's go. My OOTD today is a little different. I'm wearing a plaid romper that I got from Urban. It's just so comfortable. And I'm wearing this like zip up sweatshirt that I have from LF because it's a little chilly in LA and I just feel like it's kind of cute with the romper. I'm wearing my Nike Air Forces with some white socks because I feel like this has a lot of color going on. So I want to add some white and just keep it white down there. But I'm running late, so let's go. I'm with Grace at the hair shop. Hello. And we're basically just going over my hair right now. You guys know I've been talking about changing the color lately. I've been definitely going through a phase where like I really do want to change, but she's gonna give me the realness right now about my hair.
I think because your concern is like not damaging it, you're going on the opposite side of the spectrum. Like blue is here and orange is here. So if you want to grow your hair out and not damage it, I wouldn't do that quite yet. I would keep it in this family, like if you want to keep it healthy.
I kind of agree. Like as much as I really want to change my hair color, because trust me, I've had blue for so long, my hair's finally getting healthy. Like the breakage parts aren't frizzy anymore. Like everything's kind of getting silky again. But me going and having a hair consultation today really inspired me to make a video where I tell you guys how my hair literally went from damaged to this. My hair has been on a journey, and I'm in my bathtub for a reason because a lot of my hair journey has to do with products I use. You know, it could help a lot of people who've been impulsive and maybe have bleached their hair or their hair's damaged. There was a time and day just a few months ago where I was helpless about my hair. You just don't feel pretty because you've just damaged your hair too much. I used to think that hair color was more important than hair texture. But what I realized, like the older I get, is hair texture is the most important. Unless your hair has a good texture, no matter what color it is, it won't look good. So my journey is that I've had blue hair since March of 2016. It is now December 2018. I'm going on 2 years, but it's kind of my thing, which I didn't even go into the salon and say, turn my hair blue. Like this wasn't a plan. Like I genuinely had purple hair at first, and then the purple faded to a teal purple. And then I went to the salon to get it touched up, and then it just turned teal, and then it turned into blue. Weirdly, I feel like I look best with blue hair. I've kept it blue because I love it. I love it against my skin tone. You know, over those last 2-3 years, it has not been easy. So I've been seeing the same person the last 2 months, and I feel like you can tell. I always mention this in my vlogs. You guys can call me crusty all you want, but it saved my hair. I don't wash my hair. I wash my hair maybe once every 2 weeks, once every week and a half. So like when you wash your hair every night, you are stripping the natural oils from your scalp. It honestly just adds moisture to your hair so it's not dry. What's ironic is the longer you wait to wash your hair, you train your scalp to get less oily over time. So the less you wash your hair, it's a win-win-win-win situation. Just invest in a good dry shampoo. From the week I went blue, 2 years later, I'm still using the same dry shampoo. I am using the Detox Dry Bar Shampoo. It smells so good. Everybody that smells this says it smells like NIKI, so if you want to know how I smell, literally this. I try not to use any products in my hair besides dry shampoo. Hairspray makes my hair grow quick. This is my oil I use. It's L'Oreal oil. I actually tend to use this right before I get my blowouts, right before I wash my hair, because the last 2 days, my hair does feel gross before I wash it again. And to get it through those 2 days, I need to add moisture because it starts getting dry and crunchy from the dry shampoo. I recommend you don't use heat products on your hair. The only times you should use heat products on your hair is the times you wash your hair. When I do wash my hair, I make sure I get it blown out and styled that day. And then I keep that style in my hair for that like 10 days, 2 weeks. And when I do get my hair styled, I use protectant spray, which is so important because using heat tools, especially straighteners and blow dryers, is really bad for your hair. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of the brand called It's a 10. This is what it is, and if you have severely damaged hair, I would recommend investing. This is quite on the pricey side, but it's amazing. This is what you need. Literally, I added blue dye to my keratin treatment shampoo. So not only am I restoring and like fixing my broken hair and making it soft again, but I'm also dyeing it as I wash it. That's what I do. That's like my little hack. And then as far as the conditioner goes, I also have blue added in here. So the next thing I want to show you guys is something that my hair salon made for me. I literally have like a little science lab to keep this blue hair. So they gave me this Olaplex hair like leave-in treatment, and they put the exact blue mixture they used on my hair, but in here. And they just gave it to me. They like put the tip of a glove on the lid and tied it around with a rubber band. It's like super ratchet, but it does the job. If my color is getting really, really faded, I know I have to use this. We are lining up, guys, when I don't need to change my color and I just want to wash my hair. I use mane and tail. This is horse shampoo, and this literally gets your hair to grow like a mofo. There's a reason they use this on horses. It's because horses, they want like really shiny, healthy, thick, long tails and like manes. And they use this on horses and it works. I honestly don't use this nearly as much as I use this, because my hair needs the extra care most of the time. And then the other tip I have is just, you know, try not to change your color. I've really been wanting to change my hair because I feel like lately I'm only known for my blue hair. And sometimes I wonder, like, would you guys love me as much if I had brown hair? But then again, it like makes me nervous. Like, if I dyed my hair a different color, would you guys still be blue babes? That's why, you know, I've been thinking a lot, and I am impulsive, which is why my hair's damaged. I have gone every shade of blue. I've had navy hair, I've had royal blue hair, I've had mint green hair, and I'm just to a point where I'm not bored of my hair because I love the blue, but I just, you know, don't want to confine myself. Like, I always want to be authentic to myself. That's my little update. Hey guys, so I'm now out of my bathtub. And guess who I'm with? Hello! So Alicia is here and we are going to Target tonight, but unfortunately that part is not going to be in this vlog. What I'm doing tonight with Alicia has to do with tomorrow's vlog, so I'm not gonna incorporate that in this. I wanna keep this vlog focused on how to get your hair looking healthy again. Our Postmates just got here. I saw a comment that was like, Nikki never shows what she eats in her vlogs. So you guys literally just think I drink coffee. We ordered veggie grill. And I got their taco salad. I feel like as far as diet goes, lately I've been really trying to eat a little more plant-based. I feel like my skin and like my hormones, like everything is balanced when I eat cleaner. But yeah, no, the salad's banging. It has like beans in it. It has like fake chorizo. Avocado, tomato, like cilantro dressing, corn. It's delicious and it's like chopped. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Day 4, it was a little more educational than I normally post. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys.